How to log in into Vanguard account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Vanguard login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. Vanguard login, open it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, here you're gonna see the option of login. Click on it. You'll be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. So go ahead and type in the username, then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten the username or password, you can click on this option to recover it. After you provide all the details, click on login, and just with that you will be logged into your Vanguard account. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of set up online access and go through the process. Well, this way you can easily log into Vanguard account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.